Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Mission USB power cable. Here I've got an Amazon Fire TV stick, and here's the Mission power adapter. So do you want to power your Fire stick from your TV, but your TV USB output only outputs 500 milliamp hours? Well, a Fire stick needs about 1 amp. So this will take the 0.5 amps and turn it into 1 amp so that you can power that device. It's got a battery in there that's going to charge up while the device is not being used, and then when it has high demand, it's going to be able to use that battery to help power the Fire stick. It's very simple to operate. You simply just plug it into the USB output right here, and then the other end is micro USB. So this end right here is micro USB, which most Fire sticks have micro USB for power. You know, that first cable is about 5 inches. The other one is about 2.5 inches. The box itself is about 3 inches by about 1.5 inches. And depth-wise is about 1 inch. So your Fire stick does come with an adapter. You can plug this into the wall and then use this cable. But if you don't want to use this, okay, so if we zoom in on a Fire stick, it requires 5.25 volts at 1 amp. That's what it requires for an input. And here we have the power adapter. It outputs 5 volts 1 amp for 5 watts. Now here's how this works. It input 5 volts 500 milliamp hours, which is 0.5 amps. It outputs 5 volts 1.8 amps because it has a battery in it. Okay, so the way this works, it says it has special circuitry embedded in the cable, stores the excess power available from your TV's USB port in a battery, then releases it when the Fire TV momentarily demands more power than your USB port can support. And so I have done that I've tried it with the Fire Stick and even the Fire Stick 4K Max. They all have that same adapter for powering them up. So they all require the same amount of power, and that thing works perfect with it. So I hope this video helps on the Mission USB power cable. Thanks for watching.